Hi, this is Tony Vanderwellen. I'm going to explain to you my project or final term project for the Geography 897C course that we are taking right now. I developed a web application called Are My Legislators. Project choice: I chose to set up an ArcGIS server in the EC2 Amazon cloud and create a web mapping application that allows citizens to find what Wisconsin State Assembly district they live in. The reasons I chose this project: we currently use ArcGIS Server, and also our current citizen lookup tool is outdated and does not use maps. The goals of this project were to successfully deploy an Amazon EC2 instance with ArcGIS Server, and also to design a user-friendly Adobe Flex application for legislative district lookup. Implementation of the application was relatively easy. Some of the biggest challenges I faced were moving data to the cloud. This takes time. Updating the Flex Viewer to build a web mapping application also has some limitations. And to keep the application simple. Lessons learned: building an EC2 instance with ArcGIS Server is fairly easy. The cartography is hard though. That probably took me the most of the time. Building the cache in the cloud takes time, planning, space, and power. And I also learned that I need to learn how to customize the Flex Viewer application. As you can see here, I have an elastic IP associated with my EC2 instance, and I will open the application up now for a short demonstration. As you can see, when the application pops up, you get a splash screen. I learned some HTML to create that splash screen. As you can see, it tells you exactly how to use the tool. Gonna click OK. Basically what you can do here is type in your address, click on the locate button. It's going to zoom you into your location. You click zoom to, it'll bring you a little bit closer. As you can see, this is Assembly District 79, and this is where I live. So I'm going to click on top of my roof, and it'll tell you your legislative district. I currently live in Wisconsin Assembly District 79, and I also did some customization here, so you can click on this link and it'll take you directly to your legislator's website. As far as the rest of the application goes, you can also enter your address in the box up here. I did some customization for the links to take you to the legislative homepage. I also added the splash or the logo here, and also changed the title and the colors. My final thoughts: if I had more time, I'd like to make the cartography of the base layers better, create lookups for all legislative and congressional districts, customize the Flex Viewer to look more aesthetically pleasing, and to find a way to offset the label and address points. So you can see when you initially zoom into your location, the 79 is directly on top of the address point. The final project was a great way to combine everything I learned in this class, and I was able to meet the goals, or most of the goals I set out for my initial project proposal. I successfully deployed an instance with Arc Server. I was able to configure ArcGIS Server to work. I was able to set up a Flex Viewer application and make some customizations, and I was also able to create a final application that allows users to find their assembly district number. I was not able to get the Senate district number to display properly. I think with some learning, some customizations in the Flex Viewer, that will be pretty straightforward. Alright, thank you.